Hi beauty babes and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha and this is Martha's Makeup, obviously. Well, it's been a while for sure. You know, I'm not gonna get into details. Let's just say Christmas and then, January, so the month of uni deadlines and all bunch of other stuff were happening. And I just didn't feel like doing much. We've all been there. Just let me know in the comments how you've been feeling lately with the lockdown again and not being able to get out again for so long. Let me know in the comments how you are feeling currently, because I'm struggling a little bit with my energy levels and keeping my energy levels high, but I know that I'm not the only one. So for anyone out there who is struggling as well, please remember, we are all in deep trouble. I was gonna say something different, but we all know we're just in deep trouble right now. So to kind of, I have been posting on TikTok, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, go and do that right now. It's Martha's__makeup, just like the Instagram page, just like everywhere else. Pretty easy to remember. So to feel a little bit more, I'm not going to say festive because the festivities are over, but just to feel a little bit more like ourselves again, ladies, gentlemen, and anyone out there, and to feel a bit more upbeat, I came up with really easy and really simple look that we are going to do today. So yeah, buckle up and keep on watching. Obviously, we are going to start with a primer, yes, because not to prime is a crime. Thank you, Nikki Tutorials, again. So my face is already primed with Paese Hydrobase, again. And what I'm going to do now is something different to what I usually do, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. So I'm just going to do my brows first. I'm going to spray some of my setting spray on the soap. I'm going to take my spoolie, and just, if I can find it, that would be great. Yes, I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to just brush the soap through my eyebrows. And then I'm using the Maybelline, I believe. Yes, Maybelline Brow Temptation angled shaping pencil to do my brows, just to give them a bit more of that, bushy brow kind of look. Let me know, do you like bushy brows, or are you more of a normal? I don't know if that's normal, but more of a, sleek, snatched brow kind of person. Because for the longest time, I loved snatched brows, but then, but I don't know, just this, this fashion to have the bushy brows happened. And I didn't do it for the longest time, and then I started doing it and I loved it, just because I feel like it looks a lot more natural, and it also takes me a bit less time, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly draw the line underneath my brow and then just draw individual hairs, and that's it. There we go. Remember to carve them out with a concealer, because whatever you messed up, you can fix with a concealer. There's nothing that a concealer can't fix, okay? So that is the exact reason to why we didn't put any foundation or powders on our face first. Is right here. That is the reason, dears. Tape, because we are going to be doing like a bit of a smoky, snatched eye look, and it's a lot easier. And even though I am not really a beginner anymore, although in some things I really am, then it makes it a lot easier to do an eyeliner look, like any kind of like snatched eye look. just with normal usual tape. So remember to just place it so it goes like the outer corner of your lower lash line, so you don't kind of twist it in any direction. It just goes naturally, follows the shape of your eye, if that makes sense. There we go. And obviously the first thing we are doing is priming with my PLouise base. So that's what's gonna be happening right now. I'm just gonna tap it in. Remember not to really move it too much, just tap it in so the base is actually there and the products can stick to it. And yeah, it's gonna be really simple. The palettes that I'm gonna be using are the Juvia's Place palettes because I'm in love with them. So that's gonna be the Nomad palette and then the Saharan as well. Looks like that. And we are going to be taking that. Which one? Okay, so that kind of greenish shade, dark greenish shade right here on a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to be placing it above our crease in the outer corner and then kind of winging it above as well, and with like small circular motions just like that. Okay, yeah, looks alright. And now we're going to take that darker green shade, even darker than the first one, on a smaller blending brush and tap the excess out and just place it in the outer corner just here. It is greenish, but not really. It's just dark green, like camel green kind of vibe. It's giving me camel vibe there, definitely. Okay, so tell me, let me know in the comments as well, what type of looks do you want to see more on this channel? Like, what looks are your favorite? What do you want to learn how to do quickly and easily? Because I do have quite a lot of hacks on doing things easily, because when I was learning to do makeup, it took a while. Okay, girl, it took a while to just leave it there. I'm still not there, in full honesty, obviously. Like, there's always room for improvement. So I just learned to do a lot of stuff that other makeup artists wouldn't. No, I just learned how to do looks that other makeup artists would do with like half the energy and half the effort that they were actually doing it, and they looked quite similar in my honest opinion. So yeah, so just keep placing that in the outer corner and then kind of buffing the edges out. Okay, and now without really any more buffing, blending whatsoever, we're just going to take that gorgeous kind of golden with a bit of green shade shimmer, and we're just going to put it on our finger, and we are simply going to, oh darling, like, that is stunning. So yeah, we're just gonna put it in the inner portion of our lid. Don't worry about any fallout, we're gonna take care of that later. And then for the outer portion of the lid, we're going to take the green shimmer. It doesn't look like a shimmer on the camera, I think, but it is a shimmer, you need to trust me. And we are I didn't use that yet, to be honest with you. So I'm kind of curious how it looks on the... Oh, okay. Hello. So it's not very shimmery, it's just the same green shade that we put in the outer corner, but like with the tiniest bits of like gold shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. I hope you do. That is stunning. Are you more of like a shimmer kind of person or a matte type of person? Because in full honesty, I've always been like more of a matte type of person, but then I think the more makeup I did, the more shimmers kind of grew on me, if that makes sense. And now I'm just gonna take the basic liner, black liner. And we are going to start with drawing a line where that tape is, and then a line want to make it too thick because we will be blending it out later. You do want to kind of draw the line a bit longer than your inner corner to kind of just right here, because we are going to create of that a little bit of that foxy eyes moment. At least we're going to try, but literally just follow the natural shape of your eye. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much. What we want to do now, just to blend that line here a little bit and make it a bit more smoky, is take a brush like this one. Please focus. Hello, camera. Can you do that for me? No? Okay. Never mind, sorry about that. So just like a small brush with the shortest hair that is normally used for lower lash line, I believe, but we are going to use it for the upper lash line, and we are going to take a darkest bronze shade that is almost black but not quite, and we are going to place it on that line, on that liner that we just drew and a bit above, and literally just do this. And then you want to go back with that brush, that medium-sized blending brush with no product on it apart from what was already on it, and just kind of blend that dark brown with the dark green that was underneath it. Okay, and now for the lower lash line, I was thinking we could go in with some color because we all need a bit of color in our lives right now. So I'm taking the Makeup Obsession Crystal Waves palette. That is absolutely super cheap, and actually the pigment is quite alright. And I'm taking the shade, I'm taking the shade Azure, whatever, on like a small brush like this one. And literally I'm just going to, oh, look at that. That is stunning. Yeah, so let's just go in with that. Okay, and the last thing we are going to do, that's it literally, is we're going to take a dark, a black pencil, and we're going to put it in our waterline and kind of connect it with that line that we did with our liner here. So the foxy eyes are showing up. Okay, and there we go. I'm just going to quickly do the second eye off camera and come back to you, put on some lashes obviously, and come back to you guys. Actually, you don't even need lashes with this look. I just do it because I like it and I feel like they complement the look quite nicely. But I'm just going to come back to you, do the foundation, powder, everything else, and we're going to be pretty much done, guys. So be right back. There we go, that is the finished eye look. And now we're just going to finish off the face. So I'm just straight on going in with the foundation. The Juvia's Place I Am Magic, obviously, because I am a full coverage kind of girl. And I'm just gonna slightly like, look at that coverage. Look at that. I'm a bit red right now. I mean, I do have a pinkish undertone anyway, so most foundations are a bit too yellow for you, girl. But this one isn't, trust me, it's just the lighting here and like everything. But in real life, stunning. Stunning. I'm going to be trying this out for the first time because I know people are like all over it and it's quite cheap. So the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and you know it's new because I just spent 10 minutes trying to open the damn thing. So yes, there we go. We're gonna, how do you even do that? Do you just tap? Do you press something? What is that? Oh. Is that, nothing's happening? I'm sorry, guys. So So you just, seems like you just twist it and it's supposed to come out. Oh, it is coming out. It is on the spongy. I can see. That is so funny. Like, I don't think anyone else has a concealer like that with that funny little sponge. Okay. We're gonna be doing that and doing that and doing that until we actually die. What is going on here? Have I been twisting it in the wrong direction? What is happening? Please help me, makeup gods. Hello? Anyone here? Oh, yes, it is here. It's here. Okay, you can't see it, but it's here. Okay, so I guess I just, oh! That actually goes in so nicely. I'm in love with that. So yeah, a quick trick, by the way, instead of drawing like a full triangle underneath your eyes, try doing like just a small thing, small line here, and then here, because it's gonna look like your face is a lot more lifted. A bit on the forehead, bridge of the nose, and here with lines like that as well, so your face looks a lot more lifted. That is so cool. Okay, I think I like that. I'll just see how it blends. And there we are, guys. Let me take that off, actually. There we are, guys. Now, there we are, guys. In case you can't tell, because of the terrible lighting, I am not as pale anymore. I do have blush bronzer. I don't have the highlight on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What just happened? Why? Why did that happen? You see, like, I did not see it sit here for a while, and like, I forget everything. Okay, so now we're gonna have some highlight on, actually, above that blush, and a bit here on the nose as well. Okay, now I guess you can see that. Great. So, I am not as pale. I've got blush, bronzer, highlighter, a lip also. I don't really know what... It's a lipstick plush blush, number 93, but the actual brand name is not even on the lipstick, so I'm not going to tell you because I honestly don't remember. But it's just this very, very natural lip color that you can wear every day, or you can wear to your dinner if you want to. I don't really go for like really visible tough lips because that's just not me. I also can't really do them very well, so there's another reason for that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, because it helps me massively. If you subscribe as well, click that subscribe button, please. I think it's even gonna appear properly in the screen right now, so click that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at marthas__makeup right here. Click that follow button, and follow my Facebook page as well. If you do have Facebook, it's Marthas Makeup as well. Yes, so that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed here, I'm like eternally grateful for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this look. Would you do a makeup like this for like staying in dinner with your partner, with your family, or just on your own? Because why not? We can treat ourselves. And if you do recreate this look, just make sure to tag me on Instagram, again, Marthas__makeup. And yeah, see you in the next one.